Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix TikTok video playlist feature not showing. First things first, launch the TikTok app on your device, then access your profile within the app. Tap then the three lines in the top right corner to access the menu options. Select then Settings and Privacy from the available options. Then you want to navigate to Report a Problem. And scroll down until you find Report a Problem and click on it. Once you are here, just click on Videos and Sound and further scroll to select Others. Then click on Need More Help to contact TikTok support. Write then a message explaining the issue. And you want to use a message similar to, I am missing the TikTok video playlist feature. I need this to fix for my account. Then, you will just wait for the TikTok support to reach out to you to be able to fix your specific problem in your account. Lastly, don't forget to hit that submit button. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.